In this tutorial today, we're going to walk you through how to use a program called Placeit.
So what is Placeit? Placeit is a company that provides unlimited mock-up designs and videos for your everyday business needs. You sign up for a free account, add a subscription, and get ready to start creating and designing t-shirts for your business. Placeit offers thousands of templates for you to choose from, all created by professional graphic designers. Just pick and choose a graphic that you like, place it on a t-shirt, and start selling. You can literally create t-shirts in minutes. Check out this quick demonstration. Simply pick a design, add some font, use the transparency background, upload a mock-up, pick and choose your choice, select the color of your t-shirt, upload your design, and use the slider tool to adjust your graphic, and voila! Easy peasy. I love Placeit.
Really? That's all you gotta say?